Persistent volumes in Kubernetes play a key role in keeping your stateful applications stable through pod restarts and rescheduling, but they can't help when the data behind them is lost or corrupted. A cyber attack, a storage failure, or an accidental deletion can remove that state instantly. Backups are the last line of defense you can rely on to bring that data and the application back. Kubernetes also needs more than a simple data backup. You have to restore the volume data and the application's YAML definitions together. Otherwise, you don't get the application back in a working state. DataCore Puls8 is a container-native persistent storage solution purpose-built for Kubernetes. It works alongside backup tools like Velero and Veeam Kasten to deliver application-consistent snapshots, enabling reliable backups and predictable restores for your stateful workloads. With Puls8, both the data and the Kubernetes definitions are captured together, so you can bring the entire application back with confidence wherever and whenever you need it. To show how this works in practice, let's look at how Puls8 works with Velero. We trigger a backup in Puls8 that captures both the persistent data and the Kubernetes definitions required to run the application. To simulate data loss, we delete the entire WordPress application, including all persistent volumes. Next, we run the restore with just a single-line command. Puls8 automatically restarts the WordPress application using the backup we created earlier. Within moments, the application is healthy again and fully accessible. This demonstrates how Puls8 and Velero work together to deliver application-consistent backup and recovery for Kubernetes workloads. Next, let's see how Puls8 works with Veeam Kasten. It is to be noted that Puls8 is fully integrated with Kasten and is certified Veeam ready for Kubernetes, ensuring it meets Veeam's standards for compatibility and reliability. When Kasten triggers a backup, it instructs Puls8 to take a clean, point-in-time snapshot of the persistent volumes while also capturing the application's YAML configuration. Together, these pieces form a complete backup of the workload. Kasten then exports this to your chosen backup repository, whether in the cloud or in on-premises S3 storage such as DataCore Swarm. For recovery, Kasten reapplies the application configuration and asks Puls8 to provision new volumes from the snapshot, enabling the workload to be restored in the same cluster or another one. The result is a clean, consistent restore of the entire application. If you'd like to explore Puls8's backup, recovery, and persistent volume capabilities in your own Kubernetes environment, we're here to help. Contact us and request a trial. Thank you for watching.